Looking for the best car battery in 2025? In this video, we're revealing the top 3 car batteries that deliver unbeatable performance, long-lasting power, and reliability for every type of driver. Whether you need a battery for your daily commute, off-road adventure, or luxury ride, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find out which one is the perfect match for your car. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Number 3. The XingCell Kim-Kirin D23 is a standout if you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's battery to something truly next level. With a 12.8-volt nominal voltage and around 60 ampere capacity, this lithium iron phosphate battery boasts a claimed 800 cca cold cranking power, more than enough to fire up most cars even in chilly conditions. What really sets it apart is the lithium iron phosphate chemistry. You get a lighter package, roughly 13.7 lbs in this case, and significantly improved cycle life versus traditional lead-acid units. The manufacturer says the lifespan is up to 4x that of conventional batteries, with self-discharge of under 1% per year. It handles a wide temperature window, 20 degrees Celsius to pleasant 70 degrees Celsius, and includes built-in protections like a battery management system, BMS for overcharge and discharge, thermal and short-circuit safety. For modern vehicles, especially those with many electronics or stop-start systems, this can be a really worthwhile upgrade. Just ensure your car's charging system is compatible with lithium iron phosphate chemistry and that your fitment, BCI Group 35 or D23 size, matches. In short, top-tier performance in a compact, future-proof package. Definitely worth considering. Number 2. The TPE Car Start Stop LiFePO4 lithium battery, BCI Group 47, is a top contender if you're looking to upgrade to a high-performance automotive battery. With its 12.8-volt nominal voltage, high-output cold-cranking Ampere 600A start rating, and advanced lithium iron phosphate chemistry, this battery delivers significant advantages over traditional lead-acid systems. Because of the lithium iron phosphate construction, you get a much lighter package and faster charge and discharge responsiveness, ideal for modern cars that demand quick cranking and efficient energy delivery. Its lightweight design means less stress on your vehicle's mounting and better overall performance. Plus, this battery supports stop-start auto systems, making it especially suited for urban drivers who deal with frequent engine restarts. The built-in battery management system, BMS, offers protection against overcharge, over-discharge, and thermal issues, boosting both safety and longevity. Lithium iron phosphate cells are known for their endurance. They can offer thousands of cycles and superior thermal stability compared with older battery types. The only thing to check? Ensure your vehicle's charging system is compatible with lithium iron phosphate chemistry. Many are, but confirmation avoids surprises. For drivers who want lighter weight, faster cranking, and tomorrow-proof tech, this is a compelling longevity. Number 1. The G48 lithium automotive battery is a powerhouse of modern car energy solutions, built to deliver exceptional reliability and performance. Operating at 12.8 volt with a 60 ampere capacity and an impressive 1100 cold cranking amps cca, this battery ensures strong and consistent starts even in extreme weather. Unlike traditional lead-acid batteries, the G48's lithium iron phosphate technology provides a longer lifespan, faster charging, and lighter weight, making it ideal for both everyday drivers and performance enthusiasts. Its ultra-durable build resists vibration and temperature fluctuations, ensuring dependable operation in tough conditions. Additionally, the quick charge capability means less downtime and more driving, perfect for those who value efficiency and convenience. With built-in battery management system, BMS protection, it offers advanced safety against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. The G48 lithium automotive battery not only enhances vehicle performance, but also reduces long-term maintenance costs. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, this battery delivers powerful, eco-friendly energy with cutting-edge technology that outperforms conventional batteries in every way.